In this video, I will show you how to create a master account in the EPFX CopyTrader. This allows other traders to subscribe their accounts to your account to copy your trades and gives you the opportunity to earn a percentage of the profits made on their accounts from copying your trades. First, we will navigate to the Trade Copier menu and select Become Provider. Then we will give this provider profile a name. For this example, we will call it 10x. We will leave the account field as Create New Account. We can place a summary for our strategies so the potential investors can determine if they would like to copy your trades. Then we can place notes in the Notes field. This is typically used to disclose the type of risk the copy account will have. Then we click Continue. In the Account Type drop-down, we will select Strategy Provider Account and click Continue. Then we will select our desired leverage and click Continue. The master account is now created, and here you will see information on the total performance fees you have earned from your subscribers, how many positions you have taken, and how many new subscribers you have gained. There is still one more step we must complete before subscribers can connect their accounts. We must configure our investment offer. We do this by clicking Create Offer. We will use the same name we used when creating our master profile, so here I will put 10x. Then we will put our performance fee in the form of a percentage, so in this case I will charge a 10% performance fee. You do not need to type the percent key. We will select our performance interval, and we have several options. We can choose per trade, daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, half-yearly and yearly. In this case I will choose weekly. The Is Locked button means people will not be able to subscribe to this offer. This is useful if you want to limit access to your master account. For example, if you do not want more than 100 subscribers, after you have 100 subscribers, you can edit your offer and check this box, and it will prevent further subscribers from connecting. If you require a minimum balance traders must have in their account to connect, you must input it here. In this case, I will not require my subscribers to have a minimum balance. Here we will give a summary for the offer, the same way we did when we created our provider profile, and we can also disclose the type of risk that the account will have in the Notes section. We will disregard the public agent's fee as this is only enabled for certain master traders on a case-by-case basis. Then we will click Continue. Now at the bottom of your provider profile, you can see your offer. Your offer is also now visible from the Investment Offers tab in the menu, but only for all other traders. You will not be able to see your investment offer in the Investment Offers tab because you cannot subscribe to yourself. Now that your master account has been created and your investment offer has been configured, all you have to do is trade on your account and promote your copier to gain subscribers. As always, thanks for watching.